There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Thursday, May 24th. We had a viewer ask about ICX. We're going to go through a little Wyckoff on that real quick. Then we're going to jump into Bitcoin and our usual coins. So in front of us is ICX. You can see here I've got preliminary support marked down here below the $4 area. Then we had a selling climax. You can see down here volume coming in. So quick selling climax. This would be an automatic rally and a secondary test. So those four things are stopping action for reaccumulation or redistribution, but that is stopping action, which is what happened here on ICX icon. And then we can show an upthrust here above the high of the automatic rally. That brought us down to a spring. So we sprung the previous selling climax area. You can see when we did that, volume came in strong off of the spring to bring us back into the trading range. And then as we had another sell-off in market cap, we came down and we did 3 low volume tests, which I'm showing by the red line. You can see volume off considerably here. That gave us a chance to rally back to resistance, which could be just a rally back to the resistance, or could be a sign of strength. Volume did come in here, not major, but did increase. And then now with the recent sell-off in Bitcoin, we've came back and done a low volume, possibly a last point of support, or again, just support back down to the previous selling climax, where we should have support again. Nothing else, rally back to resistance, possibly at $5, or maybe start a big rally. If Bitcoin is finishing off a large triangle, then ICX could be preparing for a large advance as well. You can also see this is the 2-hour on-bounce volume, which I don't really use, but I wanted to show it because you can see that major sell volume came in after the rally of the spring. So as we came down, major selling come in, but we did hold the previous low of the spring, which was good. That's why it was a successful test. So this obviously is an important area. So just a little quick Wyckoff on icon. Now let's go back to Bitcoin 74.92. I had mentioned that if we ran up to 9,100, that could be a B wave, and then we could see another sell-off down to 76, 7,700. The B wave actually, it appears, maybe stopped there at 8,600, which then brought us in the waterfall decline that we just experienced. I still think that is a B wave. And then as I mentioned on last night's show, we could be looking at this here. This looks very well. I've mentioned this on our software even a couple of weeks ago. So if that's the case, we're finishing the E wave of a triangle. And then if this is true, this would be a big fourth wave with new highs coming. I did mention Tom Lee says that big gains come on 10 days of the year for Bitcoin. He's looking for a big rally here, and this triangle would support that. So could get interesting here in the coming days. Let's go through a quick few more of the coins we normally talk about. Zen did run up into our objective level. That was objective marked from down here at 25. I think we have way higher objectives here. So we did go up, respected the uptrend overbought line, and came off way deeper than what I thought we would, but I still think this coin goes higher. So we're sitting here at 33, much higher than the lows at 14. So I think Zen is a good coin moving forward. Bitcoin Cash, I like as well. Dash down to 340, much weaker than I thought. But again, I think this is a triangle forming here. It'd be nice to see these lows hold, and then these downtrend lines would be important to take out on the upside if this rally gets going. Same thing with Classic. Ethereum 583. It's been much stronger, so I really think we've done a 1-2 here. From nothing else, again, it's a D and an E, just a much higher level E. So I think Ethereum is one that leads us higher on this next rally. I've been saying that Litecoin 122.50. I've had this triangle up here. I thought we was going to round up and do a higher D, but now I think that we just completed the E probably. So once again, it's going to be important here the next few days. NEO 53.87. A little weaker than we'd like, but still respecting the triangle. Ripple 0.627. Same thing there. OMG 1106 has been nicely sideways, a little deeper here in the last few days, but still not hurting anything. ADA USDT up a couple percent. A coin we still like. Be nice to see that one dig in as well. We have mentioned Decred 103. That one's been really strong. I would think that would stay strong. EOS is up 13% today. Came down and did make, what is it, back at 1035. We're back to 1204. I would think that one, that chart looks really well. I would think that one could take us higher as well. Then let's go over Stratus USD, down 1.79%. Still, I think, respecting a backup here. And we have a little bit of volatility. It was added to an exchange, I think, about 10 hours ago, and then pulled back again. I still like Stratus here. Then we've got XLM USD up 5%. That's one that we've liked. XVG at 44 cents. Should be able to put together some type of rally. ZRX 142, that's one that we've liked. It did run to $1.60 yesterday and then retraced quite a bit, but now firming up again. We still like ZRX here, $1.42. And then one more here. Let's look at TRX USD. That's one also that's acting very well with the chart. So we've got ONT holding very well the support that we mentioned. AMB up 10% today. That's one that could still be, I think, okay. And ZIL, BTC, holding up very well considering some of the pullback in these coins. So that's all for now. Catch us in about 5 hours. We'll be live with Hitman Hellman, 6:30 Central Standard Time. Later.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.